Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi Hookah Chillum. First, gather your materials. You'll need high-quality natural clay, free from any debris, and a clean, flat workspace. Have a small bowl of water ready to keep the clay pliable. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth crafting experience and a durable final product. Let's get started on shaping our chillum. Now let's begin shaping the base. Take a good amount of clay and roll it into a thick cylinder. Flatten one end to form a stable base, aiming for about 2 inches in diameter. Make sure the base is at least 0.5 inches thick to provide good stability for your chillum. This foundation is key to preventing your chillum from tipping over. Next, we'll create the bowl and ensure proper airflow. Gently indent the top of your clay cylinder to form the bowl, aiming for a depth of about 1.5 inches. Then, carefully pierce a central hole from the bottom of the base all the way through to the bowl. Add several smaller holes inside the bowl itself to allow for even heat distribution and smooth smoke. Finally, it's time for drying and finishing. Allow your newly crafted chillum to air dry slowly in a shaded, well-ventilated area for at least 24 to 48 hours. This slow drying prevents cracks. Once completely dry, you can optionally fire it in a kiln for enhanced durability and a longer lifespan. Your Desi chillum is almost ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.